Hello and welcome back to the show. Going to do something a little bit different than my usual thing. Was at Walmart earlier, and I've been looking for these for a little while now, and I finally found them. What I'm talking about is the 1893 Pepsi. Got the ginger one as well. Not only that, also happened to find out Mountain Dew Black Label. So that's interesting. These are all new sodas, just been introduced, and we're going to do a taste test because why the fuck not? I also wanted to show Pitch Black is back for anybody who's interested. Go get you some Pitch Black. I think they do that only during the summer, so we won't be tasting that because I already know what it tastes like. And I have a can of Code Red, is what I normally drink. I guess that's my palate cleanser or something. And I've decided to use these here shot glasses that I have. Full disclosure here. The 1893 one's already open. I tried to record a video with this, and, well, I did record a video with this, but I felt like it was just going to be stupid to just post this one by itself. It would have been a minute and a half, and it would have been worthless. So, I kind of already know what this one tastes like. But we're going to do a little taste of it anyway, so let me pour a little bit into this here shot glass. Don't know how well you can see that. It's got a nice brown color to it. I already went through this whole thing when I recorded the previous video, so I'm going to repeat myself, but you guys don't know about that. But anyways, it smells and tastes basically just like normal Pepsi, only maybe a little bit mild Pepsi, basically. It really smells like mild Pepsi and tastes like mild Pepsi. Yeah. So if you like Pepsi and it maybe kicks or gives you too much of a bite, try this. It's a little bit more mild. There's that. That's 1893. It says, boldly blended cola made with cola nut extract, dark brown malt flavor, a touch of aromatic bitters, sparkling water, and real sugar. 150 calories per can. Comes in a 12-ounce can, skinny can, kind of like Red Bull. Same as the ginger soda. That'll be our next one. Anyways, we'll just kind of put that over there for now. Next up is the ginger. I've heard people say this tastes like ginger ale. Never had ginger ale, so I have no idea what that tastes like. But this one, boldly blended cola made with cola nut extract, real ginger, sparkling water, and real sugar. As well as a myriad of other chemicals and things. I don't know if it's going to be able to zoom in on that or if you're going to be able to read that. But yeah. Let's get this one opened. I always have to pull off the stupid tabs. They bother me. Okay. That definitely has a different smell to it. See, I don't even really know what ginger smells like, so... I'm not very worldly, I suppose. Ooh, this one's got a different sort of thing. You can see that there. I don't know, the color looks about the same. It's that same kind of brownish, maybe a little bit lighter color. Yeah, that's got a weird smell to it. Doesn't taste bad. I'm not even really sure how to describe that. Like I said, I have no basis for reference on this. I've never had ginger ale. I've never had actual ginger. I'm honestly really surprised by these. I was kind of almost expecting them to be terrible. But so far, I'm not wanting to puke, so... Excuse me. Like I said, I really don't know how to describe that. Like I said, I got no basis for comparison. But it's not bad, I guess. We'll just put that one over here with the other one. Whew. Yeah, I've heard ginger ale has kind of a burn to it. I can feel that. Let me have some of my Code Red. It's kind of throwing off the taste of the Code Red. Oh. Oh, I can still feel the burn. Well, here's the one I'm really interested in, and that's the Mountain Dew Black Label. Have no idea what this is supposed to taste like. It says it's... Oh, I can feel that coming out my nose. Excuse me. Dew with crafted dark berry. Flavor with other natural flavors. So I have no idea what kind of dark berry they're referring to. It could be dark cherry or some kind of raspberry. Well, let's take a taste here, or we'll see what's up. I like the black tab. They have the tab painted black on this one. And this one, I believe, comes in a 16-ounce can, so you can see the black tab. Yeah, 16-ounce can, 210 calories per can. Okay, that definitely has kind of a fruity smell to it. Like a blue raspberry or maybe a dark raspberry or something. Let me see here. Ooh, that's a dark reddish, purplish kind of color. Yeah, that's gotta be a raspberry. Oh yeah. Don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up. It doesn't really. I guess you can't really see it very well, but it is a reddish, dark reddish, sort of purplish kind of color. I'm guessing this is going to taste like a raspberry or something. Here, I might be able to pick this up a little bit better if I show the stuff that's, if you can see that, the reddish tint to the, what's in the edge of the can there. But it's definitely a raspberry kind of smell. Let's try a little bit. Ooh. That's interesting. Yeah, definitely a fruity flavor. Yeah. That almost kind of tastes like the Pitch Black. Although I think it's, like I said, more of a raspberry taste than the grape that they go with Pitch Black. Either way, yeah. All three of these are surprisingly okay. Like I said, The regular 1893 tastes like mild Pepsi. The ginger one, excuse me. The ginger one tastes like, I guess, ginger ale. There's definitely a burn to it. You're gonna feel the burn. And the Mountain Dew Black Label, it's like a raspberry, like a dark raspberry kind of flavor. It's not bad though. Ooh. Don't know how I'm gonna finish all three of these. Anyways, so that's my first little foray into tasting things. Don't think I'm going to be making this a usual thing on the channel, so yeah. But yeah, we got all these different sodas and my nifty little shot glasses. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know what you may have gotten out of that. Like I said, I'm not super worldly. I haven't tried a whole lot of things, so then again, I haven't puked from any of these, so if you're interested in trying any of these, go ahead. Apparently you can find them all at Walmart. That's where I got them from. Yeah. So, thank you for watching, and join us next time for whatever we do next. Thank you and good night.